you're furious. How could this ever happen in this country? How could this happen in this state? This is a state that is focused on keeping all of our children safe. You come to the conclusion this is just absolutely pure evil.
Let me just note once again for my colleagues that this happens nowhere else other than the United States of America. This epidemic of mass slaughter, this scourge of school shooting after school shooting. It only happens here not because of coincidence, not because of bad luck, but as a consequence of our inaction.
How many times is this going to go on until the American people say enough is enough? You're talking to somebody who supports the Second Amendment. I grew up on a ranch. I've always had guns. I am a hunter. I hunt today with my son. But an AR-15 is not for hunting. That's for killing.
To say that such brutal, pointless violence is unconscionable is an understatement. Schools should be places where children can learn, faculty and staff can work without fear of violence.
Again yesterday, the scourge of gun violence visited an American school, a place where our kids should be able to learn free from the shadow of violence and mayhem. Again, we all watched the scenes of children running for their lives. Again, a twisted soul got hold of an assault rifle and unleashed carnage on the innocent. Let us resolve to do something about the epidemic of gun violence in this country.